Look, guys, I feel so beautiful today, guys. I'm so happy with my order, guys. Ayan, ito na yung in-order kong red dress, guys, for only 250 pesos. Ayan, pak naman talaga to, guys. Ayan, look, oh. Ayan, ang ganda niya, guys. I really love it. Ayan, tube style lang siya, guys. Ayan, kailangan ko lang talaga paliitin yung aking belly, guys. Yung aking tummy. Ayan, I really love it, guys. Ayan, pak na pak siya. Oh, ayan. For only 250 pesos, guys. Ang ganda niya. Ayan, oh. Rapapam, pam, pam, rapapam, pam, pam. Na, 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 na. Kaya, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Rapapam, pam, pam, rapapam, pam, pam. Na, 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 na. Kaya, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Ayun, guys. Look, ayun guys, ang ganda ng kanyang fit guys, oh. Ayan, for only 250 pesos. I really love it. Ayan yung kanyang likuran guys, oh. Pack na pack siya. Ayan, medyo nag-shape na nga po yung aking likuran guys. My problem is only my belly. Ayan, medyo lumiit na yung aking belly guys, oh. Ayan, I really love it. So, ngayon guys, ako po ay aalis. Aalis ako guys. Ayan. You know guys, my birthday is coming. Ayan, my birthday is coming guys. And ayan, maghahanap ako ng ano guys. Bibilhin. Bibilhin ng mga food para lutuin. Ayan. Ano kayong lulutuin ko guys? Ayan. Next week is my birthday. I hope you also send me a surprise gift guys on my videos if you like my videos. Ayan. And you can also avail a membership on my channel. Ayan guys, so I really love color red guys. Ayan, pack naman talaga sa akin guys. So, I feel so young. Ayan, feeling bagets na naman ako guys. Pakiramdam ko guys, parang nasa 20s lang ako, di ba? Ayan, pack siya. I really love it. Ayan. So, ayun guys, maglo-lotion muna ako bago umalis. Ayan. Lotion na ta guys, kunti. Ayan, a small amount lang guys. Kasi wala nang laman yung aking lotion guys. I need to buy a new one. Ayan, ang tagal pa ng payout ko guys. Next week pa yung hintayin ko. Sa 25 pa guys. Anong date pa lang tayo ngayon? 7 pa lang tayo guys ngayon. So, OMG. Ayan, 2 weeks pa yung hihintayin ko guys. Ang tagal pa. Ayan. Kaya naman tiis-tiis muna ako guys. Ayan. Ayan o, pack na pack yung aking outfit for today. Ayan. Feeling ano na naman ako guys. Feeling model na naman ako. Ayan, mag-picture-picture muna tayo guys. Ayan, take a picture. Ayan. So that's it for today, guys. I really love it. I really love my dress for today, guys. Ayan, oh, it makes me young and beautiful. Diba, guys? So, murang